Hey guys, today we are here at Magic Kingdom, and today this little lady gets to ride Tron for the first time. We're here for the Passholder preview of Tron. I've already ridden it twice, and we're gonna go in and ride it again. Well, I'm gonna ride it again. She's gonna ride it for the first time. We're gonna take you along for the whole experience and what you can expect when you're here for your Passholder preview of Tron Lightcycle Run. So come on and join us. So our preview starts in about an hour, and we are at the end of the universe back here at the very back of the parking lot. Well, without going into Ursula section. So we are Peter Pan at the very back lot here, or line. And it looks like they're doing a little construction over here, I think. I mean, they have been, but yeah, it's a little different. So we're gonna go hop on the tram and go inside. We still have an hour, but we're excited to ride Tron at night. So we know it's probably gonna be really busy inside, but we just loaded on the tram. There's only one other person on here with us, so that's cool. And sometimes I like to walk, but tonight, since we're at the very back, I'm not gonna walk. I'm just gonna take the tram and enjoy the ride. We still have about an hour before our preview even begins. We are really moving now, dear. Are you what?
Are my bows the right way?
Yeah, they are. Are you excited about Tron though?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't let me discourage you.
I wasn't yesterday, but it's because I wasn't feeling well.
Yeah.
So I was dreading it.
I wouldn't say I would discourage you. I was just, you were asking what I would compare it to Cosmic
I'm
Rewind.
still excited because it's like, no matter what, it's kind of cool to be able to do this.
Yeah, well, you know what? You're looking pretty hot today. So when we were here for the cast member preview, we had to actually check in at the Ticket and Transportation Center, but not today. So I'm not sure where we're going to check in for the annual pass preview. Either that or at the front gate. So we'll find out. We're going to take the ferry boat though today. All right, here we go onto the Richard F. Irvine, across the sea, the seven seas. I can see it way in the distance, way back there, right here. There it is without zooming in. I love this time of night. All right, we have made it in. Now we're gonna head back to Tomorrowland and get in line for Tron. We made it back to Tomorrowland and we are now in line to check in for Tron. It's all the way back here beside Ant Gravity's. So it's all the way up there, and then the line extends all the way down here, from up here all the way back down to here. So they're only allowing one ride today. Okay, so I stand corrected. The line is not over here. I mean, that is where you walk through, but I thought there were people all the way up here. The line is actually just a little bit ahead of us here, so you're not letting the 6:30 people in until 6:30, which right now it's 6:25, so just a few more minutes. So I switched my lens so you guys can see there's just people are starting to walk in. So it's not that long of a line. It just looks really long, but it's not that long of a line. I think we're gonna get a Mickey Premium bar later. Sounds good. All right, line is starting to move. Looking good. Told us to make sure we have our magic bands, our confirmation email ready to go, or your Passholder card, either one. Here's the official event check-in right here, so here we go. All right, checked in. That was super easy. So here we go. First time I'm gonna get to see it at night up here. All right, it is time. Once again, look at that. It's beautiful. We're gonna strap the GoPro on again tonight. Let you guys see it at nighttime. Man, that is beautiful. Keep right. comes. I just love this canopy at night. It's so awesome. Everybody trying to get a photo op over there. Oh, it's okay. There is a way to get down here somewhere. I'm not sure how to get down there. But this is so cool. So cool how we were looking at it the other day for the cast member preview. You can see like all the little different designs up there too. But like there's just like every spot is just beautiful. Line is moving very quickly, so we're not gonna have to wait long. Just up here and around the corner, pretty much. That's it. And right here at the canopy itself, I didn't notice this the other day. Man, we're really close. Alright, so we're probably only gonna get to ride once today. It's already 6:45 and we're still a ways back, so cool. But look at Space Mountain back there. All right, we are almost there. Just a little further to go. Well, it's a good thing I like blue lights. I mean, it's just awesome. Look at that. So cool. All right, we're about to go in. All right, here we go. We are entering the grid.
Remain seated on the Lightcycle at all times. Keep restraints securely fastened. Supervise guaranteed users at all times.
But I guess there would be dogs.
Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Go, guys. Round 3 for me. Angie's getting the GoPro ready to go. Oh, here we go. It's gonna take off. Ooh, fingerprints all over that, but still, it's awesome. Uh-oh, it stopped. Into the actual queue. We didn't really show this last time.
The competition begins when teams move
This is the
across the upload conduit
actual
and
queue.
onto the grid.
So
Your
for the indoor
opponents will meet you
section,
there.
the indoor section of the queue. I
To
should say.
win, every member of
All right, got everything up in our locker. We're ready to go. It shouldn't be much longer. It's gonna be awesome. Ready? So future John here, I just wanted to put in here that we didn't actually get the footage of the GoPro. It had fallen down when Angie was riding on the cycle. So this is what you can see right here. Anyway, I'm going to put in the clip from when I went before and had the GoPro on it, so I hope you guys enjoy that. Okay, back to the vlog. You ready, bro? Here we go. Oh, my thing's going on. Powers unite!
Initiate in 3, 2, 1.
Here we go! Woo! Yeah! Whoa! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh my God! Woohoo! Oh, here we go! benches are themed really cool. That's awesome. Just got off the ride. Well,
My hair is everywhere.
hair's everywhere. What'd you think?
I loved it. I
Yeah?
loved it a lot.
Can you compare it to Guardians yet?
It's so different, you know? It was really cool though. On the bike, it's like you kind of like go to the side. It almost feels like for a minute you're gonna like fall out of it.
Yeah. I have to check the GoPro footage on here so I need to see what it looks like, but it's awesome. All right, we're gonna wait for it to come back through here again. Man, this is so awesome. So one thing I do want to mention, and I'm going to show you guys what the actual vehicle looks like itself right here. The tester seat, though, I didn't get to show you guys again because there's so many people over there. It's really busy. This is the first day of Passholder previews. What I do want to say is we were in a position where someone did not test out the tester seat ahead of time. And as a result, she could not ride the ride. It's so awesome. She could not ride it. She could not ride the bike. So I sit in the back because I know it won't fit around my calf. So I sit in the hover, whatever they call it. What do they call it? The rover or the chariot. So I was riding the light rover in the back, or the chariot, whatever you want to call it. And the person that I was sitting with, their party was in front of them. So as a result, because someone did not get on the tester seat, she had to be removed from the cycle and go back in line. And then the lady that I was sitting with was like requesting that I get off the ride so her daughter could get on. But I mean, they're not going to do that. They're not going to do it. So I'm saying all this to say, do the tester seat before you get in line, because if you don't want to mess up your party or whatever, just make sure you do the tester seat. That's all. We're going to be back on the opening day, which is April 4th. So cool. So awesome. I got to ride it as many times as I've gotten to ride it, but it did take us over an hour tonight to get on the actual ride. So it's the first day of Passholder previews because I think everybody was trying to do it, you know? So I feel like that's kind of what happened, but man, this is so cool. Okay, we're gonna go do a photo op down here. Then I think we're gonna leave the park. Game over until April 4th, and we'll be back. All right, we're gonna go get a Mickey Premium Bar. We're gonna get out of here before the fireworks start. Let's go. Which is soon. I've been wondering what this walkway looked like. Now the official exit is out this way. So, at least for now it is.
Is that how it was for you too?
No, well, we exited out the other way. So cool. All right, I got my Mickey Premium Bar. I'm gonna eat this thing. Oh man, so freaking good. Okay, to the monorail. And just like that, we are back at the back of the parking lot. What a long evening. Okay guys, so that was our night out here at Tron Lightcycle Run. All right, Angie, you've had time to process it through that long trip back to the car. What are you thinking?
I liked it.
Yeah?
Yeah. There was two things I didn't like. There's two like spots where it like slows down, and I wished it would have like kept the speed up, I guess.
Yeah, that's the part that I don't like.
Yeah.
I feel like it should have more momentum the whole time, and it just doesn't.
Yeah.
But with that being said, what a great day, what a great ride. We're gonna come back on opening day
and ride it again. Hopefully we get the virtual queue. I mean, you never know. you know.
Yeah, true.
But anyway, we want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, hit that like button and the notification bell so you know when our next video is coming out. And remember, the road goes ever on. Let's go home. We'll see you guys next time.